was a wizard at selling at Black Friday, and there's a few reasons why. Number one, I had some customers to sell to. Number two, I was a relentless marketer, but in a passive way that wasn't super duper annoying. Number three, I had a solid game plan. Number four, I was super prepared and I had everything organized and ready to roll. And number five, I had epic scripts, emails, text messages, and I had beautiful graphics. And those literally worked like a megaphone to sell tons of my products. And I'm just super passionate about showing other people exactly how to do it. So I put together a free workshop and I show you in that workshop everything that I did for success.
Why is it free?
That's a good question. Primarily because I'm nice, and primarily because I want you to win a lot this selling season. And I honestly believe anyone who wants to have a debt-free holiday season can do it by just stepping up your game around the Black Friday season. So let's talk about what's in the workshop. Boom! This is it right here. Inside of this training, I'm going to show you exactly how to get organized. Like, I feel like the biggest reason people aren't messaging their customers is they don't have them organized. They don't have them uploaded to a simple spreadsheet where they can upload them to other platforms that allow you to communicate with the masses. Now, if you just have 100 customers or less, no big deal. But as you get to 100, 200, 300, 400, the way that you market and the way that you communicate totally needs to change. And if you're not super organized, it's not gonna work. Because I don't know about you, but trying to message 1,000 people in one day is kind of a big mess. So I show you ways to automate this, but you have to be organized first. So that's the first thing that we talk about. The second part of the training that I put in here for you is how to send text messages and emails that actually get results. Yeah, you can send text messages and you can send emails, but if they don't have a call to action and they are not clear, meaning they are confusing, do you know what happens? You lose. To confuse is to lose.
You don't want to do that.
So I literally give you the exact text messages that I send. I give you the exact emails that I send. I even give you the times that I send them and the days. And there's lots of them. I even give you beautiful graphics that you can send to entice your customers to pay attention to you, right? If you've got something beautiful and your competitor doesn't have something beautiful, they're probably gonna pay way more attention to you. You can use these graphics in emails, you can use them in text, you can even use them on social media to draw attention to your upcoming event that you are hosting. And I take it a step further. We talk about Small Business Saturday, we talk about Cyber Monday, and we talk about the week following all of those little days. Because I'll tell you what, that is the most underutilized week for promotion that people are not capitalizing on. And you know what I did? I crushed it during that week. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So if you're ready to have the best Black Friday selling season ever, grab this. I put a link below this video. You can grab a spot in this upcoming training, and make sure to tell your friends in network marketing or direct sales or anybody you know that sells something and wants to sell more of it, let them know about it. You can share the link below this video. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this. If you like these videos and you want more of them, don't worry, my friend. I promise to make a lot more. I'm on a mission. 3 to 4 of these every single week. I release them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, so you can put those in your calendar to check my YouTube channel at those times to find new videos. In addition, if you'd like me to make a certain video on a certain topic, just comment below. Let me know. I will make them. I keep a little list of every comment that comes in, so your comment goes into my phone, and then I make videos based on what you say. Anyway, I love you. You are beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
So right now we're at the dinner thing, and I got chicken tenders, applesauce, and zoo animal crackers. Yummy. It's so good. Okay, so Grandma.
Yeah.
Grayson looked up something on his phone, and he said it was, what does Alyssa stand for? And it said princess.
Oh, that is fantastic.